Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a simple, everyday story. Today's topic is talking about my favorite place. Everyone has a favorite place. It could be a park, a beach, a library, a cafe, a garden, or even your own home. Today, you will learn how to describe your favorite place in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Place vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Place. Repeat. Place. Park. Repeat. Park. Garden. Repeat. Garden. Library. Repeat. Library. Beach. Repeat. Beach. Mountain. Repeat. Mountain. Peaceful. Repeat. Peaceful. Beautiful. Repeat. Beautiful. Relaxing. Repeat. Relaxing. Favorite. Repeat. Favorite. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. This is my favorite place. Repeat. This is my favorite place. The park is peaceful. Repeat. The park is peaceful. I love spending time here. Repeat. I love spending time here. Very good. Talking about a favorite place. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, what is your favorite place? Daniel, my favorite place is the city park. Emma, why do you like it? Daniel, because it is quiet, clean, and beautiful. Emma, what do you do there? Daniel, I walk, read books, and relax. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. What is your favorite place? Pause. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is the park. Pause. My favorite place is the park. I feel relaxed there. Pause. I feel relaxed there. I enjoy spending time there. Pause. I enjoy spending time there. Excellent. Describing a place. Now let's continue. Friend, is the park near your house? Daniel, yes. It's only 10 minutes away. Friend, what do you like most about it? Daniel, I love the fresh air, green trees, and colorful flowers. Friend, do many people visit the park? Daniel, yes. Families, children, and students visit every day. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Lily's favorite place is a small garden behind her grandmother's house. The garden is full of beautiful flowers, green trees, and singing birds. Every weekend, Lily visits her grandmother and spends time in the garden. She enjoys reading books, listening to birds, and helping her grandmother water the plants. The garden always makes her feel calm, happy, and relaxed. Now answer these questions. Where is Lily's favorite place? Behind her grandmother's house. What is in the garden? Flowers, trees, and birds. What does Lily do there? She reads books and helps water the plants. How does the garden make her feel? Calm, happy, and relaxed. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. This is my favorite place. I love coming here. It's quiet and peaceful. The view is beautiful. I always feel happy here. Very good. English learning tip. When describing a place, use simple adjectives. For example, beautiful, quiet, peaceful, clean, relaxing, green, bright. These words help make your English more interesting and natural. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My favorite place is very peaceful. I love spending time there. The fresh air makes me happy. It's my favorite place in the world. I'll always enjoy visiting it. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful vocabulary for describing places, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your favorite place in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to describe places in more detail, talk about activities, ask and answer questions, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful vocabulary for describing places, practiced simple conversations, and talked about our favorite places. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to describe your favorite place in more detail, talk about activities, express your feelings, and ask simple questions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Describing my favorite place. When we talk about our favorite place, we can explain where it is and why we like it. Listen carefully. My favorite place is near my house. Repeat. My favorite place is near my house. I visit it every weekend. Repeat. I visit it every weekend. It is clean, quiet, and beautiful. Repeat. It is clean, quiet, and beautiful. I always feel relaxed there. Repeat. I always feel relaxed there. Excellent. Conversation about a favorite place. Emma, how often do you visit your favorite place? Daniel, I visit it every Saturday. Emma, who do you usually go with? Daniel, sometimes I go alone, but I often go with my family. Emma, what do you usually do there? Daniel, we walk, take photos, and enjoy the fresh air. Emma, that sounds wonderful. Daniel, yes, it is always a great experience. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I visit it every weekend. Pause. I visit it every weekend. I usually go with my family. Pause. I usually go with my family. We enjoy the fresh air. Pause. We enjoy the fresh air. It is always peaceful. Pause. It is always peaceful. Very good. Expressing feelings. Friend, why do you love this place so much? Emma, because it helps me relax after a busy week. Friend, how do you feel when you are there? Emma, I feel calm, happy, and comfortable. Friend, do you recommend this place to other people? Emma, yes, I do. I think everyone would enjoy it. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan's favorite place is a small lake outside his town. Every Sunday morning, he rides his bicycle to the lake with his father. They sit near the water, watch the birds, and enjoy the peaceful view. Sometimes they bring sandwiches and have a small picnic. Ryan loves listening to the sound of the water and watching the fish swim. Whenever he feels tired or stressed, visiting the lake makes him feel happy again. Now answer these questions. Where is Ryan's favorite place? A small lake outside his town. Who does he visit it with? His father. What do they sometimes bring? Sandwiches for a picnic. How does Ryan feel after visiting the lake? Happy and relaxed. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I visit this place every weekend. The fresh air is wonderful. I enjoy the peaceful view. This place makes me happy. I always want to come back. Very good. English learning tip. When describing a place, answer these simple questions. Where is it? How often do you visit? Who do you go with? What do you do there? How does it make you feel? These questions help you speak naturally and clearly in English. Practice answering them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My favorite place is near my home. I enjoy spending time there. The view is beautiful. It helps me relax. I always leave with a smile. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to describe your favorite place in more detail, talk about activities, and express your feelings in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, share favorite places with friends, improve your listening skills, and learn more natural English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to describe our favorite place, talk about activities, and express our feelings. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to recommend your favorite place, invite a friend to visit, share special memories, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Inviting a friend. Sometimes we want to share our favorite place with someone. Listen to this conversation. Emma. Daniel, would you like to visit my favorite park this Saturday? Daniel. Yes, I'd love to. What is it like? Emma. It's very beautiful and peaceful. There are many flowers, tall trees, and a small lake. Daniel. That sounds wonderful. What can we do there? Emma. We can walk, take photos, and have a picnic. Daniel. I can't wait to visit it. Excellent. Now repeat. Would you like to visit my favorite place? Pause. Would you like to visit my favorite place? I'd love to. Pause. I'd love to. That sounds wonderful. Pause. That sounds wonderful. Very good. Sharing special memories. Many of our favorite places remind us of happy moments. Friend, why is this place so special to you? Emma, because I spent many happy days there with my family. Friend, what do you remember the most? Emma, I remember our picnics, games, and long walks together. Friend, those memories must be very special. Emma, yes. Every visit makes me smile. Wonderful. Recommending a place. Daniel, I want to visit a quiet place this weekend. Do you have any suggestions? Emma, yes. You should visit the City Botanical Garden. Daniel, why do you recommend it? Emma, it's clean, peaceful, and full of colorful flowers. There's also a beautiful fountain and many benches where you can relax. Daniel, I'll definitely visit it. Thank you. Emma, you're welcome. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Mia's favorite place is the public library in her town. She visits it every Saturday morning. The library is quiet, clean, and filled with interesting books. Mia enjoys reading near a large window where sunlight fills the room. Sometimes she borrows books and studies there for several hours. The librarians know her well and always greet her with a smile. Whenever Mia enters the library, she feels peaceful, focused, and ready to learn something new. Now answer these questions. What is Mia's favorite place? The public library. When does she visit it? Every Saturday morning. Where does she like to read? Near a large window. How does she feel in the library? Peaceful, focused, and ready to learn. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I'd love to visit that place. It has a beautiful view. We always have a great time there. I highly recommend this place. It always makes me smile. Very good. English learning tip. When recommending a place, explain why you like it. For example, it is peaceful. The view is beautiful. The people are friendly. The food is delicious. The air is fresh. These simple reasons make your English sound more natural and interesting. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. You should visit this place. It is peaceful and beautiful. I enjoy every visit. It is full of happy memories. I hope you visit it someday. Fantastic work. Today, you practiced inviting a friend, recommending your favorite place, sharing memories, and using natural English expressions. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a favorite place, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently describe your own favorite place in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced describing places, shared personal experiences, and improved your English through simple conversations and stories. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. Talking about my favorite place. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my favorite place. Everyone has a place where they feel happy, peaceful, and comfortable. For me, my favorite place is a beautiful park near my home. I have been visiting this park since I was a little child. It is only a 15-minute walk from my house. Every time I enter the park, I feel calm and relaxed. The park is full of tall green trees, colorful flowers, and wide walking paths. There is also a small lake in the middle of the park. Many ducks swim peacefully on the water. Every morning, people come to the park to walk, jog, or exercise. Children laugh and play on the playground. Older people sit on benches and enjoy the fresh air. The atmosphere is always friendly and peaceful. One of my favorite activities is reading a book under a large tree. Sometimes I bring a notebook and write about my thoughts. Other times, I simply sit quietly and listen to the birds singing. The sound of the wind moving through the trees makes me feel relaxed. On weekends, I often visit the park with my family. We bring sandwiches, fruit, and drinks for a picnic. After lunch, we walk around the lake and take beautiful photographs together. My younger brother enjoys feeding the ducks, while my parents like watching the flowers. Every season makes the park look different. In spring, colorful flowers bloom everywhere. In summer, the trees provide cool shade. In autumn, the leaves turn yellow, orange, and red. In winter, the park becomes quiet and peaceful. That is one reason why I never get tired of visiting it. The park has given me many wonderful memories. I celebrated my birthday there with my friends. I learned to ride a bicycle on one of its paths. I even met one of my closest friends while reading a book on a park bench. Whenever I feel tired, stressed, or worried, I visit the park. After spending just 1 hour there, I always feel happier and more relaxed. I believe everyone should have a special place where they can enjoy nature and spend quiet time. For me, this park will always be my favorite place. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Where is Sophia's favorite place? It is a park near her home. What is in the middle of the park? A small lake. What does Sophia enjoy doing under the tree? Reading books and writing in her notebook. What does her family do on weekends? They have a picnic and walk around the lake. Why is the park Sophia's favorite place? Because it gives her peace, happiness, and wonderful memories. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. This is my favorite place. I feel peaceful here. The view is beautiful. I love spending time in nature. This place makes me happy. I always enjoy coming here. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What is your favorite place? Where is it? Who do you visit it with? What do you usually do there? Why do you love this place? How does it make you feel? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Every story you tell helps you become a more confident English speaker. English learning tip. The best way to describe a place is to include details. Talk about where it is, what it looks like, what people do there, how you feel there, why it is special to you. These simple ideas will help you speak naturally and confidently in English. Practice describing different places every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your favorite place, describe places using simple adjectives, share happy memories, recommend a place to others, express your feelings naturally, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep exploring, and never stop learning English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.